Hunt Beno here, reporting live. Hunt Beno reporting live.
Hunt Beno reporting live.
Hunt Beno reporting live. Hunt Beno reporting live. One of my favorite things to do is to help people who have been bullied by insurance companies.
So today's 18-wheeler investigation is pretty unique because there's two 18-wheelers that were acting recklessly. The first one's texting and driving, and so he doesn't see that the lady in front of him had gotten a flat tire and was trying to get off the road, so he smashes into her. The second 18-wheeler is just driving too close and going too fast, and so when the one in front of him stops, he smashes into him. So both of those crashes cause mass hysteria, mayhem all over the road. Sometimes the property damage on the vehicle is so bad, it's obvious that an 18-wheeler driver just wasn't paying attention, never hit the brakes. So what we have is the impact was right along the right-hand side, smashed it right up into the passenger compartment, and you can see the tire here that gave way, and that caused it to push over into the barrier that was in the median. Sometimes we get up into the cabin of the car and we find that the driver was eating and drinking and playing games, basically everything other than paying attention to the road. So we get out to the scene and get our measurements. We get our expert out there, because if we can get the facts straight when we get to the courthouse, we know we got our game plan ready and we're going to be ready to win.